In this example, I'm using Insider 26220. So I'm going to right click on the window here, Shift F10. I'm going to change the font to 28. And again, the version is that. What I'm going to do here is type net user, my name, David, space /add. So net space user space my name space /add. That allows me to create a user. I'm going to then use the command net or local group administrators. My username David again /add. So I'm adding David to the administrators group. You would obviously substitute David with whichever name you want to use. I'm going to go to OOBE, so that directory, and then I'm going to type ms-cxh. So I just press tab to autocomplete there. & shutdown -r to reboot the computer. Notice I'm getting a message saying the username or password is not correct. So I'm going to click OK there, and notice my username David is shown and I'm welcomed to Windows. Now in this example, I didn't disconnect the internet. I'm still connected to the internet. We're told that it might take a few minutes to set this up. Okay, so I'm going to turn off all this tracking nonsense again and click accept. And there you go. We're in Windows. Computer's connected to the internet. I have a local account. If I go to system, you can see David is a local account. If I click on accounts, notice I am an administrator on the system. If I click on other users, I see a default user 0 account there, which I can remove because I only want my David account. So going to accounts now, I have only David as accounts on this computer. Okay, so you may prefer that method. It's quite a simple method actually, working on this version of Windows at the moment. So version 25H2, build 26220 7523.